Unfortunately, napalaw mi kay red flag daw.
Breakfast done! Yum, 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 yum. Mabawas.
Alam gani doon kabot sa kilo, no?
Dili talaga. Tama na yun. So guys, ano? Ito lang, ito lang. Ay, matagal na lang kita. Inspiration na rin. Tapat ta? Tapat ta? 23C. Patay na. Talay si Ikay.
Hi guys!
Hello.
Hi guys! Maxine!
Hi.
Look at this! Happy birthday to you!
Ano ka nga nang na-tripod si Ikay? Kaya ikaw ang na-tripod.
Kabalo mo ang say funny! Nagani akong tripod sa balay. Sige lang, at least ito pang bilhin sa yung balay. Ano?
Nadala na to. So, para na po sa among benefit. At
Thank you so much! So, dami magamit.
so, duha ka book mo.
So, asa ta karon?
Para in na iya.
Pero asa ta mo adto?
Sa Pasay. Wala ko kabalo. Kaya nagawa. Uban naman. And we're running late.
What can I say?
Conserve energy.
Okay. So, we're running late ay mag-adto mi sa Pasay nga terminal. Supposedly, dapat 5 a.m. Tapos 5 na kay dugay mi nakababa sa train. Oh,
Bugay sa ang bagay.
yes. It's okay. It's an experience.
Oh, she's asleep.
Okay, we've arrived.
Yes, thank you, Lord. Yes.
Unfortunately, napalaw mi kay red flag daw.
Yeah, you can hear the good waves.
So, we can't island hopping.
Fortunately,
It's
I was
okay.
loving my makeup.
It's okay. All things work together for good. For those who love the Lord. Para ma-ROI ang among travel.
We're gonna take some photos, even if there's no sunlight. If I lose you, baby.
Okay, so mag-video-video na lang me and TikTok and everything. Ay. Tanawa sa ka-speed na ilang walk. Like very speed walking na sila.
Kita to pala kang mapatay din. Nga dako ka ayos pa na. Pag speed walk ka talaga.
Yes. We are speed walking kay mag-dinner me. Mag-dinner me. Tapos ayo pa mi kabalo actually asa mi padulong.
Not sure. We're risking.
Let's explore Zambales.
Yes.
Kawawang mga bata. Walang open na restaurants. So, nag-barbecue me, tapos walay rice. Yay!
It's our first day here, finally.
I thought we're going to have our island hopping today.
I believe.
Ah, you believe? Yes, it's I believe. funny dyan kayo ang mga experience. So, nag-ano may jeepney. Tapos, standing we ha. Nag-istorya-storya ang mga pasahero. So, ilaming interview. So, nakabalo sila nga padulong mi sa Las Casas. Nag-suggest sila pag-picture mo dito sa sa Friendship Tower. So, supposedly, dapat sa 7-Eleven lang may baba, which is doon sa Friendship Tower. Isa 7-Eleven man ni baba ang jeep. So, tanan ang mga tao dito sa So, dapat mag-take yun may picture dire to commemorate yun sa experience namin. Baka mapanood po ito ng mga tumulong sa amin doon sa Egypt. Thank you po and ito, picture po kami. So nice.
Morning, everyone.
Yes, good morning.
Look at this view na among ginabaktas in this very, very, very beautiful house.
Goal may kayo. Masama capture guys. Kung pwede lang mag-stay mi dere longer o magbalik-balik mi dere, pwede lang doon. Yung kaysa. And so is kaysa i-overnight.
Yeah, maojud po na. Like, nice kayo nga dito nag-sleep.
Yeah, nga makita nimo ang lights nila pagkagabi. Dili nimo siya ma-experience.
Pag morning, yeah.
Pag day tour lang
yeah.
Tapos nice kayo ang morning. Look at the church.
Tapos, lingaw kayo siya bakit sa plate. Ako mong kayo siya nga place. So, nice jud kayo mo mga makita. Like, everywhere. Kailangan ninyo mag-adto here sa Las Casas, Pilipinas. The Bazaar. Yeah. Uy, kabalo mo. Nag-promote kayo ang place. Tapos sila yung bridge, tinatawag na
Lambingan Bridge.
breakfast done! Yum!
We're going back sa room.
You should try the maaha. Pag mag-breakfast kayo here, it's very, very, very good. Look at this place. It's majestic. It's beautiful. It's huge. It's humongous. Hello! Nasa bahay po kami na Theodora Alonso, mother of Jose Rizal. Yes.
They say you have half brother. No, it's not the mother.
Ay, oo. Sorry po.
Ang wife sa half brother. Sa mama niya sa rin. Ano mo pa yung pinabigay? Gulong siya.
Princesses! We're trying to take a picture. Woo! Dami pagsubok. Pero walang pagsubok na hindi niya lalampasan. We're going home! Say goodbye na! Bye! Bye, beautiful Las Casas! Catching sunsets dito sa west side ng Pilipinas. She's sleeping. Wow. So, wala may ka-vlog last night. Pero nag-movie night ni and nag-walk-walk sa Subway, sa Dunkin', sa Alphamart. And we're preparing for day 4. Hello! Hi! Dahil parang sumasakit na aking tiyan at kailangan ko ng... Sapagkat itong tubig na ito ay galing sa ilog na yan. Yum!
Yum!
Hi everyone! Currently, naami sa the Walled City. Is that right?
Yeah,
Basta
the
we
Walled
are
City.
in Chamorro, specifically sa Fort Santiago.
Santiago.
And currently, makita ninyo ang very matcha flavored waters here
kanina niya, no?
ni Kikay. Yes.
And my outfit is inspired by
Dyan.
Jan.
How's everyone? Smile! You learned something. What have you learned? We learned about ourselves, our history, our ancestors.
We learned that we need chairs.
Also, ang na-learn namin, hindi pala namin kaya. Dito kami nga time na buhi. Kay, wala pa kami na, wala pa kami nakasunod. Igang gisingot namin.
So, we are so sorry if we are
Hot, the weather is,
Yeah, even if there's just 4 of us and
Okay.
then there's inside there are
600.
600 of them.
Look at that cute Mimi. Can you see the cute Mimi? Hi! Sige, mag-hi kayo lahat. Sige, challenge po kay Jan na hawakan niya ang pusa. Because he likes it here. Sige, say hi sa aming video.
He's a he.
Yes, he looks like he looks like a he. He's big. You look like Apple.
Yes,
Alice, right? Say hi to Apple.
He's overstimulated.
Apple pala siya here. Oh. Wow, he's a ay, ganon niya. You want to hambog niya. Oh, I have food. I have food.
Oh, you want to give us?
Sinabi niya yun?
Where shall we go? The plan is, grab namin. Ano?
To the entrance.
Yung entrance man yata ang pasunduan natin. National Museum of Fine Arts. We will go there. Hopefully, walang long line since weekday mga yon. Also, we will try Din Tai Fung.
Oh
Have
yeah,
you tried?
DTF. No, I haven't.
Me too. I haven't tried Din Tai Fung
I
yet.
wanna try the xiaolongbao.
Yeah. The chocolate.
What's xiaolongbao?
It's a dumpling with a soup inside. Soup dumpling.
My feet are tired.
Yeah, it's too big for us. It's not for my energy. But it's nice.
Everyone is so cool, especially Fernando Alonso and Guillermo Tolentino.
I now understand why the teachers and professors required us to memorize them all.
Ano siya, guys? And naka-separate siya into rooms. Ooh! Currently, naata sa ato ang 4th floor. Huwag hawakan. I am not touching anything.
We're tired.
So tired.
There's Maxine.
Very passionate about what they're doing. Happy for them.
Look at all these pieces of art. Wow. I don't know where Jan is though. Somewhere around.
Ay,
Mga binibini, maaari ba kayong magtagalog? Sapagkat
Bakit?
gusto ko.
Nasa kalisuran ako.
Kaya pala binibini.
We're done na! Congratulations to Maxine! She completed the 20 kinds of animals.
What can you say about the museum?
nice siya and dili gid enough ang like 1 hour to do it, like to roam around like every room. So kailangan nimo og good shoes, much energy to do it. You need 1 day.
Also, set the standard so high that when I went to other room na okay.
Hi, I'm Mariel. I'm taking over. So we just finished. Oh, we weren't able to finish it actually, right?
Yeah, we were tired.
Yeah, because the museum is too big. And if you really want to navigate and appreciate and see everything, you will need at least 1 day. And we weren't able to go to the 3rd floor.
You know what I discovered about myself in this trip? That I am not easily overstimulated. Yay!
Yeah, me too.
I discovered I am easily overstimulated. But it was fun. I think it's a fun date place, but best pa rin ang Las Casas.
Are with Honey and hello. Before we mula ka, i-tour muna mo ka dyan. There's a pool na we did not utilize. Bye, pool. This is our bed. And we're getting ready to go. Bye-bye.
Last pa rin ako, oy. Kasi last pa na ako nung pag-ano. Unfortunately.
Di na naman. It's weird.
Yay! We're eating!
Did you know, our boarding time is before 5 and it's, oh my gosh, there's yo here, me, Mike. 2:20. Over naman sa init dito. Ano ba to? Ano ba ang aircon nila? Thankfully, wala yung nakailas ako. Yeah.
Oo, actually, may naglapit bigla.
I think it's because of her shades, eyeglasses, and then cap. Like, ano din, may kamot din mo. Yeah, we're like Ken Clark Superman.
It's the end na. It's the end. Goodbye.
Bye-bye na, we're going home. Nabibiri ang mic sa kung ano, di masabtan ba?